Want help implementing this in your business? We know there's a lot of theory, a lot of advice out there. We wanted to create a practical implementation program for owners who want support, turning the ideas from this series into practical improvements inside their business. Over the next 12 months, here's what you will get. The first week of every month, we have one monthly masterclass where we will teach you the theory, the method, help you understand the business leak, and build the foundation for that month's improvement. In weeks 2 and 3, we offer 2 practical workshops to apply what you learned, share your outcomes, get feedback, and improve the asset you are building. So we have a clear monthly rhythm. Week 1 is for learning the method and building the foundation. Weeks 2 and 3 are for applying it, asking questions, and refining the work. We also offer ongoing online support through a private forum where our members can ask questions, share progress, learn from each other, and stay moving between sessions. Momentum is everything. Now, this is a practical implementation focus, so you are not just collecting ideas. Each month is designed to help you fix one leak, build one useful asset, and make the business easier to run. The workshop series is $250 per month or $2,500 for the year if prepaid, which gives you 2 months free.